Engaging with prospects on LinkedIn is a powerful tactic for sales. In this clip, Joe Glover and I review the way that we use it every day and the way that we teach our clients to use it. So let's say I was trying to do business with Hannah. So in your case, Hannah is the commodity manager at ABC company, or she's the head of engineering. She posts something on LinkedIn and you see it in your feed. Does not matter, user discretion if you want to do this or not based on the content. As long as you're okay with what they posted. She's got 2 likes. So she posted this 5 hours ago, she's got 2 likes, but she's got no comments. If I jump in here and I say @Hannah, I love this, because it's like a quote.
Yeah.
And post that, and I'm trying to do business with Hannah, and I've never sold to her, and I'm just trying to get her attention, she's gonna love that. So I post it, and now she gets notified, and now she's got a comment. Most engineers, purchasing people, do not get a ton of likes or comments on their stuff. So for you to jump in here and either like it or throw in a comment is huge, because now they're gonna be like, well, who's this person? And click your profile. So that's a way to that's the whole brand awareness thing that I've said before, to be in a room at a party and be seen, but not be aggressive to go after somebody.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely, yeah. Create interest, but don't create a demand, kind of.
Exactly. So you're just as you're going through your feed, look to see, if I wanted to try and do business with Nicole, and I go into this, she's got 13 likes but no comments, I'm gonna comment. Just keep it super simple. Tag them. You have to tag them, but just
I always tag if I'm trying to communicate with somebody, because I know that the notification thing's huge. Otherwise, people rarely see the messages unless they have it set up.
Right. So for most of the people that you're trying to connect with to eventually sell to, they're gonna have barely any likes and 0 to maybe 1 comment on their post. And so if you're always commenting, always liking their stuff, that's gonna get their attention to look at you.
What are your thoughts on, so-and-so views your profile and so-and-so is a lead of yours? What are your thoughts on reaching out to them afterwards, after they view your profile, and what would you consider a good way to reach out to somebody? Because I feel like that's almost a little strange, to where it's
yeah, it's super cheesy. Hey, I saw you viewing my profile. What's up? No, that's super creepy. I would not do that.
See, that's what I thought as well, but it's one of those things where specifically Sales Navigator really stresses that, where it's hey, a lead viewed your profile. And it always just seems a little odd to me, and kind of it's almost a bad time to reach out,
So what you could do is definitely don't say anything hey, I saw you viewed my profile. Wanted to see if you're interested in talking. They're just gonna be you're creepy. But you could take that into consideration, hey, this person viewed my profile, and then the next day, shoot them a message and say, your message should be, if you're gonna try and sell on LinkedIn, and so we do this. We're not practicing what we preach here, because we send messages, but that's after I've been connected with somebody for 6 months, a year. We'll let them know hey, we got this thing going on. Here's some good content for you. But lengthy pitches usually don't work.
And that's kind of what I've done as well. I mean, I have a decent network built up, and I've sent, I'll search through all the engineers I'm connected with or something, and what I'll do if I do a little over sales pitching is I'll message people with kind of a link to one of my posts, and been hey, we just did this. It's a new technology or a new way to do something. Check it out if you're interested.
Yeah.
And then try to leave it at that. I normally don't try to go multiple paragraphs or anything lengthy, just because I know when I receive something lengthy on a busy day, it's the last thing that'll ever get looked at.
Yeah.
But so I try to do that as well, but it's always that ride the fence of the automated copy paste messages, stuff like that, trying to stay away from it as much as possible and still give potential prospects a value at the same time of not being hey, this is my product, buy it.
Yeah. So I would say if you see somebody viewed your profile and you hit them up a couple days later, hit them up with like, hey, like hit them up with a piece of content or something that you guys did, or you can hit them up and say, do you work on any thermoforming plastic projects at ABC company? Like, or do you know like, let's say it's to a purchasing person or another engineer. Do you know which engineer works on thermoforming projects? Do you know which commodity manager manages the plastics? Asking somebody like that, you might be like, oh yeah, that's me. Or they might say, yeah, it's this person. So being light with it, but be careful because it could look super creepy.
Yeah, and that's a lot of people. Since LinkedIn's kind of new, and specifically in like manufacturing industries, like the demographics normally people from 35 to 55 years old, and anybody that's not highly familiar with LinkedIn, they get any connection request or any activity towards them, they like instantly sometimes just get a little awkward about it, kind of like, why are you contacting me? Who are you? Kind of thing.
Yeah.
So that I try to ride the fence.
Hopefully you guys got some value out of that. If you did, hit that like button. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below, and we will see you on the next one.